Introducing the DJI Neo, a drone that redefines compactness without compromising on power. Despite its small size, the Neo is packed with features that make it a formidable choice for both beginners and experienced drone enthusiasts. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or shooting dynamic action shots, the DJI Neo is designed to deliver outstanding performance in a portable package. Design and features. The DJI Neo stands out with its compact and lightweight design, making it incredibly easy to carry and deploy. Weighing just 135 grams, this drone is perfect for those on the go, fitting easily into a backpack or even a large pocket. But don't let its size fool you. Inside this small form factor is a powerhouse of features. One of the standout features of the Neo is its vertical axis gimbal, which allows for stable and fluid shots from virtually any angle. This is especially useful for capturing unique perspectives and ensuring that every shot is smooth, no matter how you position the drone. Coupled with DJI's advanced rock-steady technology, the Neo ensures that your footage remains steady and shake-free, even in challenging conditions. Control is also a breeze with the DJI Neo. The drone comes equipped with intuitive quick-shot controls that allow you to capture stunning footage with just a few taps. Mode selection is straightforward, and for those who prefer hands-free operation, the Neo even supports voice control. This makes flying the drone and capturing the perfect shot easier and more seamless than ever. For those seeking a more immersive flying experience, the DJI Neo can be paired with FPV, first-person view, goggles, allowing you to see exactly what the drone sees in real time. Additionally, the drone supports motion control, letting you guide it with simple gestures, further enhancing the ease and enjoyment of flying. Safety features. Safety is a top priority with the DJI Neo, making it a reliable choice for all users. The drone comes equipped with propeller guards designed to protect both the drone and its surroundings during flights. These guards are especially useful in tight spaces or when flying indoors, reducing the risk of damage from accidental bumps. The Neo also features advanced obstacle and positioning sensors, which play a crucial role in ensuring safe flights. These sensors constantly scan the environment, helping the drone avoid obstacles and maintain a stable position in the air. Whether you're navigating through a forest or flying at high altitudes, these sensors give you the confidence to fly without worrying about unexpected collisions. Additionally, they assist in safe landings, making sure the drone touches down smoothly, even in challenging conditions. Technical specifications. When it comes to performance, the DJI Neo doesn't disappoint. Despite its compact size, it's packed with impressive technical specifications. Weighing in at just 135 grams and measuring 130 millimeters x 105 millimeters x 48.5 millimeters, the Neo is one of the most portable drones in its class. Yet, it offers a flight time of up to 18 minutes, allowing you to capture extended footage without needing to recharge frequently. The drone can reach a maximum altitude of 2,000 meters, providing you with a wide range of perspectives to explore. It also boasts a maximum distance of 7 kilometers, giving you the freedom to capture shots from afar. The camera is another highlight, featuring a 1/2 3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 12-megapixel photos and records 4K video at an f/2.8 aperture. This combination of specs ensures that your footage is crisp, clear, and full of detail, whether you're shooting in daylight or low-light conditions. Availability and pricing. The DJI Neo is set to hit the market on August 20th, making it a highly anticipated release for drone enthusiasts. With its impressive features and compact design, the Neo offers a great value proposition for those looking to upgrade their drone experience. The DJI Neo More Combo Package is priced at $329, providing an affordable option for a high-quality drone that's packed with advanced technology. This package includes everything you need to get started, making it an excellent choice for both newcomers and experienced pilots alike. In summary, the DJI Neo is a powerful and versatile drone that combines advanced features with a compact and lightweight design. From its vertical axis gimbal and rock-steady stabilization to its intuitive controls and immersive FPV experience, the Neo is designed to deliver exceptional performance in a portable package. With robust safety features and impressive technical specifications, it's a drone that offers both reliability and creativity. Whether you're a seasoned drone operator or just getting started, the DJI Neo is a worthy addition to your toolkit, offering great value at an accessible price point. Don't miss the chance to elevate your aerial photography and videography with the DJI Neo.